On the screen is a rounding machine, useful for working with round wood. For example, it'll create perfect grooves, which will greatly speed up and simplify the building process. The model on your screen works at 115 feet per minute and is suitable for logs up to 16 inches in diameter. One of the main features is modularity. The machine can be flexibly adjusted depending on your needs. In particular, the machine is designed with single or double heads, depending on the requirements for cylindrical logs or wooden dowels. The machines are made in Germany, so you don't have to worry about the quality. Next in our selection is a forwarder, a special tractor for logging work. Its main task is collection and delivery of logs from logging sites to warehouses or roads, so it requires cross-country ability and carrying capacity. The model on your screen is part of a new lineup, whose creators have also thought about ease of maintenance. This model has a payload of 30,850 pounds and a cargo area of 77.5 square feet. It's powered by a 252 horsepower Volvo Penta engine and is equipped with a 52-gallon fuel tank. On top of that, the hood is electrically operated, and the fenders house a toolbox, plus the radiator cleaning process has been simplified. Next up is a processing center for manufacturing furniture, staircases, doors, and similar products. We want to mention some of its coolest features. A chain tool magazine. The tools can be changed while the machine is busy with other operations and save time. The electronic positioning system allows the operator to set up the work area of the desired configuration in 30 seconds. The processing center can work with parts up to 16 inches thick, and the B-Solid program allows you to simulate machining on a three-dimensional clone of the machine. In addition, the machine is so reliable that it will withstand 12 to 15 years of use, even at maximum capacity. Just unbelievable, says one commenter. This magnificent machine is made in Italy. This giant machine is designed to shred. Basically, it's a giant shredder. It's powered by an engine with a capacity of 1,050 to 1,200 horsepower. It's capable of chewing up logs up to 60 inches in diameter and up to 16 feet long. And not just logs, but stumps, roots, branches, pallets, and even old furniture. In addition, there are built-in control systems that will monitor the pressure, engine temperature, and other parameters to maintain productivity. By the way, it's very efficient. The machine produces up to 14,100 cubic feet of finished product per hour. This is a simple but effective solution. This system will allow you to transport logs quickly and safely when the only equipment at hand is an ATV, a compact tractor, or something similar. The system is available in two versions, with a manual or electric winch. It carries up to 1,100 pounds of load, and the maximum diameter of the logs is up to 20 inches. Plus, the manufacturers write that this means of transportation is less damaging to the environment and keeps the logs clean. After watching 20 videos about hauling logs, I finally found a guy with the right idea, rejoices one user. However, you have to pay $615 for the idea. Next, we have something more serious, a bandsaw. Interestingly, these machines are also used for working with metal products, but today we'll talk about a woodworking version. A bandsaw is a power saw with a long, sharp blade. A continuous band of toothed metal stretched between two or more wheels is also used. The capacity they model on the screen is up to 1,165 cubic feet per shift, and it can handle logs up to 63 inches in diameter. It weighs about 11,000 pounds, and the manufacturer says that it's 40% faster than similar models. Do you know what this mechanism that could be featured in a Saw movie is called? Surprise your friends with your knowledge. It's a debarker. It's needed at the beginning of the log handling process because it removes bark, large knots, mud, resin, and basically anything that can damage other equipment. The machine usually turns everything that's not needed into wood chips that can be used as raw materials for other tasks. The model on the screen has a cabin equipped with air conditioning and a video system. Optionally, you can order a scanner of wood defects and a remote control. Log diameters range from 8 to 59 inches, and the stepless regulation of turning and movement speed will allow you to meet any deadline. We continue our selection with a tree harvesting upgrade. It's suitable for both Bobcat-type loaders and heavier equipment, such as excavators up to 44,000 pounds. Once installed, you can remove trees up to 12 inches in diameter, and if necessary, simply cut off any extra branches. This kind of work is often carried out in hard-to-reach places or along fences, and this is where the maneuverability of loaders and the capabilities of excavator arms are useful. And if necessary, the company will refine the system according to the client's wishes. A trick question: why are wood chips needed? For example, for the production of fuel briquettes, for farming, and even as a natural flavoring agent. So, these wood chip machines are very important and produce chips from 0.004 to 0.1 inches thick. In addition, this particular model allows you to adjust the desired chip size and use stumps, twigs, and even slabs as raw material. The feed rate is up to 49 feet per minute, and the control panel is simple enough to use without requiring any special skills from the operator. To make the resulting material easy to store and transport, the same manufacturer offers the following machine. It quickly packs chips and shavings into plastic bags. Save time and combine the two work steps. Cut firewood and load it via the built-in conveyor belt at the same time, the manufacturers of this machine offer. It requires no complicated preparation, installation of supports, or modification of the belt. Put it on, turn it on, load the wood, and that's it. The log should be 6.6 feet long and about 9.5 inches in diameter. The support for it is adjustable in 0.4-inch increments, and the belt rises to a height of 114 inches. The system weighs 1,035 pounds, so it's lighter than many boats and easy to transport. The 84-tooth blade cuts even hardwood with no problem. The company promises a 50% increase in productivity. This processing center is indispensable for the construction of houses. It makes beams, columns, modular panels, and other details. The Maestro Beam and Wall software, which makes the work simple and intuitive, will help you operate this complex machine. Moreover, the developers of the software have already shown a special smartphone app, thanks to which experienced craftsmen can give advice to beginners. But let's talk a little bit more about the processing center. It's ready to handle parts up to 62 feet long. The 6-axis head runs through all sides of the workpiece in a single positioning. and the 24 kilowatt spindle can even handle hard wood at high speed without any problems. Our engineering efforts are focused on making life easy for operators, write the designers of this log splitter. That's why the model quickly goes from transport to operating mode, weighs 2,866 pounds, and consumes a minimum of energy. Speaking of energy, the system's powered by the tractor's PTO and will need about 30 kilowatts. After preparation, you can chop logs up to 20 inches in diameter and 20 inches long, immediately loading them onto the body thanks to the 16-foot conveyor. All parameters are shown on the built-in display, and the splitting blade is automatically adjusted. Here's another debarker, this time from the international company USNR. The team works in Norway, Estonia, Germany, the USA, Canada, and other countries, and it's built a good reputation in a span of 60 years of supplying equipment. The model shown is suitable for logs from 6.6 feet in length with a maximum feed speed of 138 feet per minute, and the minimum diameter of logs is only 2 inches. The design is simple and so reliable that you'll find restored models online that are ready to serve their new owners. Let's take a look at the production of walnut dining tables, where experts use this sawmill. Different models are available for different tasks. The one shown on the screen is equipped with an enclosed cabin with air conditioning. It's great for hardwood logs up to 59 inches, including exotic species. The length and width of the cutting belt are 386 and 7 inches respectively. Thanks to the location of the control panel, the operator gets more control. For example, they can adjust the speed of the cut in each individual case based on the dynamics of the work, the structure of the wood, and other factors. And if the job's simple, the automatic sawing program can do it on its own. This machine for chopping firewood will be useful even for home-based woodworkers. It can work with logs up to 12 inches in diameter and up to 20 inches in length. There are several versions with different cutters, thanks to which one log can be split into 2, 3, 4, or 6 parts. The stroke of the cutter is adjusted manually without tools. You can change it in a couple of seconds, and the machine will adjust the force itself. A polycarbonate cover will protect you from chips. After chopping, the wood will not fall in an untidy pile, but will remain on a special built-in table. All of this is powered by a 3 or 5.5 kilowatt electric motor, and the cutting force reaches 8 tons, which allows you to work with hard or problematic wood. Here's a more powerful machine with a built-in saw that processes logs up to 28 inches in diameter and is available in mobile and stationary versions. It works like this. First, the saw cuts the log into pieces of the right length, and then these pieces go to the chopper following the given parameters. The process is a bit like a video game. A joystick is used to feed the logs, and an optical sensor allows the firewood processor to see the logs and turn off automatically if there are none. All of this is complemented by a touchscreen, and as an additional option, the manufacturer offers other cutters, such as an X-blade. "I need something like this for my little wood-burning stove," one user joked. The only problem is the price, which is pretty high. The advanced 2022 models go for about $220,000. In many cities, you can often see the following picture. A tree was cut down for whatever reason, but the stump was left behind, and it now spoils the landscape. This system can help you quickly remove it. It can be attached to a variety of loaders and other similar equipment. After the upgrade, it's possible to destroy stumps of any diameter. Only sawdust will remain, which can be used as mulching material. The operator can also remove the underground stump parts at a depth of about 8 inches. The system weighs 441 pounds and requires no special skills to be operated. Power and precision is the motto of the company behind this stunning system. From furniture pieces to window frames, this clever automated system is capable of producing an incredible number of products without losing any quality. It's possible thanks to the HSD's 21.5 kilowatt 8000 RPM unit operating at 360 degrees and gantry structure that reduces vibration and improves accuracy. With this system, it's possible to make an 88 by 320 by 20 inch detail, and thanks to the B-Solid software, the work plan can be displayed and run in virtual text format in just a couple of clicks. Last but not least, we have clouds of steam. But don't worry, this machine is working properly. It's used for steam bending. This method is often used for solid wood. It is environmentally friendly because it requires no chemicals and bends evenly without the risk of deformation. Also, steam bending is fast, as you see in the video. The model on the screen works with parts up to 98 inches long and up to 3.1 inches thick, and the bending speed is adjustable. Capacity per week, 1 shift, all parts for 5,000 bendwood chairs or runners for 6,000 sledges, the description adds.